Hello there everybody, so welcome back to another Nano Dimensions video. So in the last one, a lot of people were telling me their thoughts on Nano Dimensions, telling me that it might potentially break out at $12 and asking me what my personal thoughts are. So of course in tonight's one, I'm giving all of my views and that kind of stuff. So yeah guys, of course you guys already know, if you aren't already, please do subscribe if you want to see videos like this in the future, and if you want to come talk to us on Discord you can. It's all about stocks and the link is down in the description. With that being said though, we are going to jump straight into the video, and of course before we fully do, I am not a financial advisor and this is all just my opinion, but with that being said, we're going to start. So yeah guys, looking at our screens right now, we can see over the past 5 days, Nano Dimensions stock has been pretty decent, to be honest. It has been inclining ever so slightly with a 10% increase, but of course over the past month and even over the past 6 months, that's not really the kind of big gains that we are used to seeing. Now in last night's episode, I said that in my personal opinion, I can see this one selling off for a bit, and of course if we look out to the 1-day chart, we do appear to have sold off for a bit, and I'm not saying that I was correct, because look, we are technically up by 0.3%, but obviously we have kind of gone down looking at the highs of the day. So yeah, I don't think it's a bad thing at all, and the reason why I said that I would like to see that is because I personally think it would, present a new buying opportunity. So yeah, to see that growth slow down a bit over the past few days, not a bad thing at all in my personal view, and I am not a financial advisor. But yeah, obviously looking into the future and that $12 point, I'm not sure why everybody is saying that it's going to break out at $12. My personal view is that it's definitely going to break out sooner than that. Honestly, I think we are only a few days away from a breakout in my personal view. I think if we are going to see one, hopefully, and of course it's just my view, I think it may be in the next week or so. And of course the reason why I say that is because, like I said, that growth does appear to have been slowing down, and if we are going to see a bit of a sell-off, fair enough, but I think from that sell-off we're going to come back with some decent strength, and obviously all it'll take is a small catalyst for the stock at any point to see some growth. And on top of that guys, you guys already know there was a direct offering from Nano Dimensions that kind of forced the price down a little bit, and I kind of believe some of that staleness that we are seeing right now is kind of still coming from that, and I don't think that's bad. I don't think it's bad at all. I think obviously it was bound to slow us down a bit, but in the long term, in the grand scheme of things, if you will, I can see it being a very positive thing. I can see growth coming from it, and I just can see growth for this company in general. Honestly, at $9 I don't see it as a bad buy. I think at $10 it's not a bad buy. I personally can see this one reaching $20 within the next year, in my personal opinion, and I'm not saying that I'm going to be correct, because who knows, a lot of things can change, but in my personal view, if we carry on at the rate that I think that we will, we're going to be looking at a potentially 100% increase, if not much higher, because obviously we are up 500% over the past year, if not even more than that. So of course I can see even continuing to go past $20 in the next year. I don't think it is out of the realms of possibility, but of course you guys already know I do like to provide a conservative estimate for these stocks, because I just like to be on the safe side. So yeah, my personal estimates would be about $20 to $25 over the next year, and I do believe we could potentially reach higher than that. But in the short term, I can see a bit of a sell-off coming, and personally I don't think that is a bad thing at all. I think if it is going to contribute to growth in the long term, no problems whatsoever. So I hope you enjoyed the quick video guys. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.